To repair the Oculus app, start by checking for any software updates, as outdated versions can cause issues. Open the Oculus app and navigate to the Settings menu. Then click on the About section to check for updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Next, try restarting the Oculus app in your computer to ensure any temporary issues are resolved. If the problem persists, reset the Oculus app by deleting its cache files. To do this, navigate to the Oculus installation directory, usually found in the Program Files folder, and delete the cache folder. If resetting the cache does not work, try reinstalling the Oculus app. Uninstall the app through the Control Panel or Settings menu. Then download the latest version from the Oculus website and follow the installation instructions. Be sure to uninstall any additional Oculus software, such as the Oculus drivers, before reinstalling the app. Additionally, check your computer's graphics drivers to ensure they are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues with the Oculus app. Visit the website of your computer's manufacturer or the graphics card manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. It is also important to check for any conflicts with other software or hardware. Try closing other resource-intensive programs or disconnecting any unnecessary devices to see if they are causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to repair the Oculus app and resolve any issues you are experiencing. Remember to always restart your computer after making any changes to ensure the updates are applied correctly.